Check this out, guys. Using this method, I was able to generate over $1,300 in the past week on OG ads with CPA marketing. And just today, without even working on it, I made over $70 without having to work on it at all. What's going on, guys? Andy here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you this very easy CPA marketing strategy that will be using ChatGPT and a bunch of clever websites that you can use to set up this exact same method that made me over $1,300 in one single week. And without any skills or experience, you can set up exactly this same method, which I'm going to make a lot easier for you because I'm going to give you all the done for you copy and paste resources that you'll need to set this up. So all you have to do is just literally follow this guide from beginning to the end and do exactly what I'm going to tell you, and you get to see these same results too. So just go ahead, like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment down below something to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and now just let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is go to ChatGPT and you want to let it do all the thinking for you. You're going to literally outsource all the thinking to ChatGPT. So all you have to do is just go to this prompt bar and you want to ask it to give you 5 most popular movie genres of all time. Hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing, and it's going to give you all these different genres for movies that are very popular and are going to draw a lot of attention. And that's exactly what you want for this method, because with CPA you are going to make most money when you're going to offer something that's very popular and in high demand. And the way you're going to make money with this, so people will go through your locker and you will actually get paid. As you can see right here, ChatGPT has created this very detailed guide to 5 most popular genres of all time, and the best part is it provided examples for each of these genres, couple of movies that are fitting into this genre, which is very important because you don't have to be searching for this on your own. Once you get a list like this generated for you, what you want to do is go to YouTube and you want to search for trailer to each movie from each section. So pretty much if you're going to go back to ChatGPT, you can see for action movies we've got Die Hard series, The Avengers, or Mission Impossible. Now let's say we are going to go with The Avengers for this one, so I'm just going to copy the name of the movie, go to YouTube, and I'm going to search for the trailer to the movie The Avengers. As you can see, you get multiple options to go for the trailer, but what you want to do is choose one which has the highest amount of views. You want to look for the most viewed trailer that's on YouTube for this movie, because that way it's going to guarantee you're going to get the most amount of clicks, because it's already very popular on YouTube, so that means it's going to be popular everywhere else. So pretty much once you find a trailer just like this, you want to mouse click it and you want to open it in new tab this way. You don't want to be doing anything right now with it, just go ahead and open new tab with this trailer, then go back to ChatGPT and you want to do this for one movie from each genre. So let's say we are going with The Godfather for the drama. Go back to YouTube and look for the trailer to The Godfather. Mouse click to open it up, and then just do this for the rest of these movies just as well. Once you have trailer for all of 5 movies that ChatGPT has recommended, what you want to do is go to the first link in the video description and you want to sign up for HighLevel platform. One of the reasons why you want to go with HighLevel is because I'm going to give you this done for you template that I created on this platform that you can just copy and paste into your account, and you can literally start this method in a couple of minutes without having to go creating anything yourself. Now as you can see right here, you're going to get 14-day free trial of HighLevel if you're going to sign up through their website, but if you're going to use my link down in the video description, you're going to get extended 30-day trial that you can use to try out this platform for yourself and set up this method along with a bunch of others that I got on my channel already. So just go ahead and sign up for HighLevel, and once you do that, log into your account, and once you're going to log into your account, you want to navigate to the sites section and pretty much you want to click on create a new funnel. Now obviously you will not be creating anything from scratch. You can use my done for you template that's going to be down in the video description in one of the links that I'm going to point out. So just go ahead and use exactly that same template. That's going to look something like this. Pretty much we are going to be creating this landing page that's going to say something like movie night ideas, and it's going to provide a link to the full movie along with the trailer that's going to be on the side. But we are going to do something special about this website that's going to be making us money. So first of all, once you're going to open this template up, what you want to do, each of these trailer sections along with the video icon, you want to click on it and you want to pretty much embed it with the trailer from YouTube. So let's say for the first movie we are going with The Avengers right here. So I'm just going to click on share and I'm going to copy the link to the trailer, go back to HighLevel and paste it in there. That way it's going to embed it with the trailer from YouTube. And what you want to do then is just make sure you're going to select autoplay to be turned on, because that way the video will start playing right away and it's going to be making this site more interesting to watch and people are going to spend more time on it. That's exactly what you want, because you want them to read the description of the movie along with this button that's going to say watch full movie, which is going to deliver on the promise, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a couple of seconds. But first, what you want to do is go back to ChatGPT and you want to ask it to write you a 3-sentence review of the Avengers. Hit enter, let ChatGPT do its thing, and once it's going to do that, what you want to do is copy the description that ChatGPT has generated, go back to HighLevel and paste it into this field with a sample text. Just like that, then just go ahead and change the name of the movie to The Avengers, and then what you want to do next is go to ogads.com, which is like the #1 content locking network out there, and you want to sign up for your free account if you don't have one already. Now, signing up to OG Ads is a little bit tricky. I'm going to be honest, it's going to take some time for you to get approved, so I highly recommend that you do that as soon as possible. You can pause this video, go sign up to OG Ads, and in the description I'm going to link a detailed guide how to actually go through the process so you will get your account approved. Once you're going to sign up to OG Ads and you can log into your account, you want to do that. And once you're going to log in, what you want to do is navigate to these sections where it says Tools, and you want to click on Content Lockers. Then just navigate to this Create a Content Locker button, and you want to click on that, and pretty much what you want to do is create a content locker for each movie. Now, to do that, I'm just going to start with the name, so let's go with The Avengers, and then you want to navigate to this section where it says redirect to another URL on this unlock action. Now, what you want to do is post the link to the full movie where people can actually watch it, so after they complete the content locker, you will deliver on the promise and get paid in the process. Now, to do that, what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called cmovies.so, and you want to search for the movie in this search bar. As you can see right here, you can find the movie in there, so just go ahead and open it up, and once you're going to click through a bunch of the ads on C Movies, you want to copy the link to the movie. Then just go back to OG Ads and you want to paste it into this required field, and you want to click on Create Locker, and as you can see, your content locker is going to get created right here. Then just click on Actions and you want to view details, and pretty much all you need to do here is just go ahead and copy this red URL that's going to take whoever's going to click on it to the content locker and to the movie. Go back to the HighLevel template and you want to select the button that says watch full movie. Then just go to this toolbar on the left, and what you want to do is go to this button Actions and you want to click on redirect to website URL. Then just go ahead and paste the link to your content locker in there, and just make sure you're going to select open in new tab so people can go through these movies one by one. So pretty much now this first part is ready. Now every time somebody's going to stumble upon your site, they can watch the trailer to the movie, they get to read this short description of it, and if they want to watch the full movie, they will click on this button, they will get to this content locker, and once they are going to complete it, you're going to get paid and they get to watch the full movie. Now pretty much what you want to do is go ahead and customize each of these sections for the movie that ChatGPT has recommended, and if you are going to be using different movies from mine, what you want to do is just go to YouTube and you want to search for the trailer of the movie on YouTube. Then you want to do this for the remaining fields on this template, and if you want to be adding more of these to the template, I just added 5, but you can add a lot more. Just look for this green button below each section, which is going to add another section right under the last one, and you can go with as many movies as you want. Now if you're going to do this for the entire template, what you want to do is just pretty much click on save, name your site something and click on save, and your site is going to look something like this. You can see right away the trailer gets played, people get to see the description of the movie, and once they are going to click on this button, they will be taken to the content locker, and if they are going to complete it, they're going to see the full movie. Now what you want to do is copy the link to this website. Then you want to go to bit.ly or any other link shortener, and you want to shorten this link, because if you're going to take a look at it, it's going to be this long mix of letters and numbers that's not going to be very enticing. But if you're going to shorten it, what you want to do is just customize this back half to something like Movie Night Ideas 2023 or something to do with the movies. Then you just want to copy the link to the website, and what you want to do is go to TikTok, and if you're going to search for free movies in the search bar, you will get a lot of these TikToks that are promoting websites where you can watch movies completely for free. As you can see right here, some of these are very easy to recreate. What you want to do is, for example, like this one, take your phone and you want to record the screen of your computer where you are going to be showing the screen of your computer. You can literally just go to C Movies, you want to record the screen of this website, you want to record the screen of this computer while viewing this website, then just post it to TikTok and then put the link to your HighLevel template website into the bio. As you can see right here, these TikToks are getting insane amount of views, literally hundreds of thousands of views. Some of them are even breaking million views per video, and they are very easy to recreate. So just go ahead ahead and post a bunch of these videos showing free movie website, then you want to paste the link to your HighLevel template in bio, and that way you're going to get insane amount of traffic that's going to be interested in seeing these free movies. And every time they are going to complete the content locker, you are going to get paid. So just go ahead and sign up for HighLevel using the first link in the video description. Download my done for you template that I have created for you. Set up this exact method and make some money with it too. Now, if you want to see some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.